Very good morning, students. Welcome to our history class, and we are going to read about the chapter 5, the Delhi Sultanate. So, firstly, I am going to talk about yet this new chapter. This one, as you know, the fifth chapter, and starting to describe and illustrate the dynasties from here, from very first dynasty, that is slave dynasty. Timing of slave dynasty is 1206 CE to 1290. Okay, so this one we have in 1206 CE, that is the whole time period, starting time period of the slave dynasty. Okay, and one is Mamluk, means you have a new word here, Mamluk. So this is, you have here the in a word to know, that is a slave here. Okay, this is a slave. So this is actually about all this word. So a slave, what is actually a slave? This is a kind of servant, not only a servant but also a person who was uh, owned by another person and had to work for him or her, for that person. Okay, so this is all about this word. Okay, so the we are going to start now. For this, the earliest three rulers of this dynasty are called the Mamluks. Okay, this one, or slaves, as you know, because they were either slaves or the sons of the slaves. So the whole dynasty is called the slave dynasty in history. That is why it's called slave dynasty. Is it clear now? Yes. So from here we have to start now the very first person of this dynasty, that is Kutubuddin Aibak. Okay. So the time period of this person is starting with 1206 CE to 1210 CE. Okay. So the first slave ruler of the slave dynasty was the person, he is the person Kutubuddin Aibak. Okay. So in 1206 CE, from the starting, Kutubuddin Aibak assumed the title of, what title? You know that is Sultan. Okay, and was acknowledged by the as the ruler of the Indian territories by the Muslim chiefs. Okay, and he was born in Turkestan to Turkish parents, and little boy, who is a little Aibak, was sold to a Qazi, who educated him and trained him to be a like a soldier. Okay, then Kutubuddin Aibak was sold to Muhammad Ghori that time. Okay, and after the Qazi's death, his again his strength of the character, his loyalty to his master, who the Muhammad Ghori, apart from his military skills, earned him the position of the commander in where Ghori's army, Muhammad Ghori's army. Okay, so this one is all about the person here, and he was a kind of character of this person. What is the character of this person? He was a tolerant ruler, very patient. Okay, and treated his subject with justice without discrimination between Hindus and Muslims. And he was also kind and generous king, and he was a very pious, very purely doing work, pious Muslim, and built two mosque also. These are all the work he actually done, and he started the construction of also about of the Qutub Minar, as you all know, in at Delhi. Okay, and which was actually completed by his son-in-law and a successor. Okay, that is Iltutmish. So, and in the last, in 1210 CE, he met with a sudden end at Lahore as a result of a fall from his horse while playing chamgan. Chamgan. This is a new word again. I think you all have here in the last. Yes, this is a game of polo. Okay, so in 1210 he just died uh, while playing this game that is also called polo. Okay, and he was buried at Lahore at that time. Thank you.